Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry I forgot to film the intro. But in today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this makeup look which is inspired by Cave Beauty by Katrina Kaif. So these two pictures of Katrina Kaif was literally all over the internet and I decided to recreate it. So this look is all about a very beautiful bold smoky coal eyes, nude lips and a strong contoured chin. I always love bold beautiful smoky coal eyes, so I recreated it. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you guys know, I always start with a moisturizer before starting my makeup, so this will give you some hydration and this will not dry out your skin. Next, I'm using a silicone based primer to hide my pores, and this is gonna give me a smooth canvas for my foundation to set. Now Katrina has a very glowy, dewy looking skin. I don't have that, and to mimic that I'm gonna use a liquid illuminator under my foundation, and then I'm gonna use a foundation on top, and this is gonna make my skin look glowy, dewy and all that good stuff. For my foundation, I'm gonna use a sheer coverage one. I don't want full coverage because full coverage can look cakey or heavy on the skin. So I'm gonna first spread it with my finger and then I will dab it with my beauty sponge. And this foundation gives a very glowy, dewy, skin-like finish that I really love. Next, I'm gonna hide my imperfections that are peeking through underneath the foundation, as this foundation doesn't have full coverage, so I am using a color corrector separately. And if you don't have any acne scars or imperfections on your skin, then you can skip this step completely. Next, I'm using a concealer that is very close to my skin tone, that is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm gonna use it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, Cupid's bow, chin, all of the usual places. And then I'm gonna blend everything with my damp beauty sponge. To set all of these liquid products and cream products on place, I'm gonna use a loose powder. Now you can use a compact powder or whatever loose powder you have. And with the help of this brush, I'm just pushing the product into my skin and not dragging it. Now Katrina had a very strong, dark, bushy brows, and I'm using a brow pomade to mimic that. Now her brow shape and my brow shape is completely different, so whatever I have, I'm just gonna roll with it. Next, I'm setting my brows on place with a brow gel, and with the help of the same concealer, I'm just cleaning my brows a little bit to get that chic, polished look. For my eyes, I'm using the NYX Lid Lingerie palette. I'm taking these two shades and applying it on my crease as my transition shade and as my crease shade. And this eyeshadows blends beautifully. So once I'm happy with the shade, I'm gonna move on to this brown shade and applying it on the outer portion of my eye. You can see the way I am applying the eyeshadow. This is gonna make my eyes look more elongated. Then I'm taking the Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal and I'm just tightlining my eyes. This and the plum one, they are the most favorite kajal of mine of all time. As you can see how much I have used it, so I'm using the plum one to outline my eyes. So this step is to define your eyes and to make your eyes look more bold and beautiful. Next, I'm taking a smudger brush and just smudging the edges so that it doesn't look too harsh. Next, I'm taking an angular brush and with the help of the same kajal, I'm creating a wing. So first I placed the brush where I want my wings to be created, and then I joined them, and I believe this is the easiest way to create a wing eyeliner. Then I'm taking the same brown shade and just smudging my bottom lash line. I believe Katrina has a natural looking falsies, but I don't use falsies, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply tons and tons of mascara. Now if you look at her picture, she has a very strong contour going on her cheeks. So I'm taking these two contour shades and chiseling out my chubby cheeks. I don't like contouring on a day-to-day basis, but if you have under-like shakal just like me, then you have to have something on your face so that it doesn't look flat. And she has a very strong contoured nose, so let's mimic that as well. Next I'm taking this deeper contour shade and I'm applying it just under my cheekbone to chisel it out a little more. Next I took the banana shade from this palette and I'm just highlighting my nose and my chin a little bit, and with the help of the same banana powder I'm highlighting my under eyes as well. Then I added a little blush to my cheeks, not much. To highlight my face, today I'm going to use the Sugar Contour the Force highlighting palette, and the middle shade is apt for this look. The highlighters are a little powdery in this palette, but they are apt if you are going out for a dinner or a night out or a party. They are really amazing for nighttime look. Now I'm using a dewy finish setting spray to deal with all of the powderiness that I have on my skin and to set everything on place. Then I used a lip liner from PAC. I outlined my lip with it and I also filled it in. For my lipstick today I used the Nykaa Macalicious lip crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. And then I used a NYX Powder Matte Lippy on top. So yeah guys, that's the finished look. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you find this video helpful, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Please do like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.